Moving on to the differences between the Burst Pro and the Burst Pro Air are very similar spec-wise and feel almost exactly the same when you exclude individual variances from product to product, with the main differences being the Burst Pro is wired 68 grams and $59.99 compared to wireless 81 grams and $99.99. They both come with the Owl Eye optical sensor, but there are under the hood improvements that put the Pro Air ahead with 19,000 DPI and is based on the 3370 architecture, where the Burst Pro has 16,000 DPI and is based on the 3389. Both still have 400 IPS and a 50G rating. I don't think most people will notice this difference while gaming, but having a higher DPI means you have a more accurate sensor even at lower DPI values. Otherwise, they have the same Titan optical switches, phantom cord, but of course it's removable on the Pro Air, shape, size, material, water and dust resistance, 4 AMO RGB lighting zones, heat-treated PTFE feet, colors, and warranty. I think a lot of people are going to be upset at the 13-gram increase in weight, as you can really feel that when gaming. But wires also suck, and not having them gives you a whole lot more freedom with your aim and makes you feel like you're not tethered down. Only you can decide which is more important, weight or wireless. Personally, wires suck and I have other performance mice, so the Roccat Burst Pro Air is my choice. There, I did it again. Roccat Burst Pro Air.